Hello everyone, welcome back to TechWorld family. Today we are going to see about most important concept in foreign key like on delete cascade. It's a most asked interview question nowadays. Let's see. So now I'm going to explain what is on delete cascade. When data will be deleted from parent table, it will be deleted from all child table as well. That is, when I'm going to create or alter the table, we can define this on delete cascade option. So now I'm going to create a two table like supplier and product. The supplier table let's call as a parent table and product table let's call as a child table. So I have three column like supplier ID, supplier name and contact name. So table created. Now I'm going to create a product table like a child table. I have created product table also table created statement. Now I'm going to insert the record in supplier table. Row inserted. Now second row I'm going to insert. Now third row and fourth row. Okay. Now I'm going to insert product table, child table records. So first record inserted and I'm going to insert second record. Okay. Now I have created two tables and I have inserted few records in both tables. Now I'm going to make a relationship between both tables using foreign key and we can use on delete cascade statement. See, I'm using on delete cascade statement in alter statement. Alter table name like a product that is a child table, adding constraint that is a foreign key supplier ID, and this table column is reference to supplier table supplier ID using on delete cascade statement. Now I'm going to execute this statement. Now table altered and foreign key is created. Now I'm going to delete a supplier table supplier ID 1. See, supplier table supplier ID 1 this record. So now I'm going to let's show you what is supplier table. See, these are the records are stored in the supplier table. Now I'm going to delete supplier ID 1, this record. So now I'm going to delete supplier ID 1 because this record is already present in product table as well. See, product ID is 1 is presented. 2 times 1 is presented. So now I'm going to delete the data from parent table. See, now rows are deleted. I'm checking the product table. See, 1 comma 4 will be presented and 1 comma 1 is deleted. See, now let's show you supplier table because whatever record in the parent table deleted, same record will be deleted in child table also. See, one first record is deleted. So one supplier 1 it's deleted. Thanks for joining this session. Please subscribe our channel to get more information like this kind of concept and most asked interview questions. Thank you all. Bye.